Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Today we are up on a mountainside where we will be collecting dendritic sandstone. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what we're finding. This is going to be a short video because this stuff is literally all underneath me. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So here it is. It's all this area. Just kind of looking around, picking up the best pieces. That's cool. Put that in the bag. This was the very first piece I picked up, which I believe is just the best one yet. That one's pretty freaking cool. And the thing with these dendrites go all the way through the stone. So when you try polishing them, you can normally get a pretty good polish on these pieces. Where normal dendrites is just on the surface of the stone. So that one's almost kind of like a picture scene. You just need to sand it out some. So I like the flat ones more because I don't really need to cut them in half and stuff. So here's a nice one right here. There's just beautiful stuff all over.
It's not working.
No, it's not. Too bad. Jeez. No?
No. Forget I threw it over there.
Okay, I will. I try and not use any language when I'm doing a video. I am. Dang you, Dad. I try and keep it kid friendly.
Start over.
I can't because I can't replace the clips that I already recorded. I'll just edit you out.
Okay. That's probably safe.
That's a cool piece. Found another really cool one. Look at that one, guys. Right there. I'm sure that, yeah, that's gonna be a good one. Nice piece. Oh, look at that one right there. There's a couple good pieces. There's one. That's kind of cool. I like the ones that are really dark and have a nice contrast. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm not going to show them at the end because you already saw them. Well, I guess my dad just found a cool one, so we'll look at that one. But Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe if you're new, and share this with your friends and family on social media. Hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on, find some cool rocks, and I'll see you guys next time. But before we go, let's go check out what my dad found. My dad just found a good one, and right when he found a good one, I found some good ones too. So I'm gonna sit down and pick them up. So here's a little bitty good one.
This one came apart. I don't know if you want to glue it back together.
Nope.
Okay.
Why the heck would you break it apart?
It was split when I picked it up.
Uh-huh. Okay. Here's a nice one. What I was talking about was this one though. Look at that one. That one's so cool. But I don't know if I can get that back in one piece, because it looks like there's a fracture running right through there. Maybe. I'll try and be careful with it. And there's that one, and I saw another one. I'm not sure where it went. Man, those gnats are getting annoying now. I guess this was the other one right here. What?
Said the good ones are everywhere.
I know, they are. What'd you find? That one's cool. It's like reversed.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that one. That's cool.
Here's another pretty good one.
Mm-hmm. That's like, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. This one is just like reversed. Like.
Yep.
It's weird.
Here's a good small.
That is a good small.